First of all, I'm going to fold my fabric into 2 equal parts. Then I'll mark out my sleeve length, which is 10 inches. Then connect with a vertical line. Then I will be marking out my armhole length, which is 9 inches. Then I will be connecting both lines. I will be marking out 2 inches for the sleeve fold allowance. To get your sleeve curve, it will be your chest measurement divided by 12. Mine is 38, and divided by 12 it's roughly 3 inches. Then you mark the 3 inches on that horizontal line you drew. You can use your pattern master to make a curve joining both lines, but here I will be using my hand. Lastly, take out your arm width measurement, add 1 inch for seam allowance, and connect to the sleeve curve. Then you cut it out. So that's all about the sleeve cutting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share, and also hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to be notified when we post a new video.